Hello everyone! So for today's video ay tuturuan ko po kayo paano natin makita yung link ng ating mga trainings. Kasi mayroong nagtanong sa akin teachers, saan ba makikita yung link? Hindi sila makapasok daw sa AC. May nakalagay doon na training pero hindi sila makapag-enter ng classroom. So hindi sila nakapag-join ng training. Let us clarify that one today. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na we are obliged to comply our ZTP, SNP 101, 102, and 103. So, dapat talaga tayong mag-attend ng training for us to also have awareness on those mga limitations natin dito sa platform. Okay, so saan tayo pwedeng makapag-book? At saan natin makikita yung mga training schedules natin? Okay, so, punta tayo dito sa black tab natin. You can see here, teacher training. So, under teacher trainings, click natin tong book my training. Okay. So, dito, day by day yan naka-arrange. Kikita natin dyan kung pwede pa siyang i-book. I-click nyo lang yung book. Makikita rin natin kung naka-fully booked na yung ibang mga trainings. So, let's say, for example, I will book a training on Friday. Kasi ngayon is Thursday, October 30. So, bukas is October 31. Let's say, i-book natin tong 10 o'clock, specialized domestic set to dive. I-click nyo lang yung book. Yan. Tapos, please wait. You've successfully booked the training. Pwede rin agad ninyo siyang i-cancel kung dalawang isip kayo at nag-decide talaga kayo na i-cancel. So, ngayon, saan na yung link ng training na ito? So, punta tayo dito sa My Training Schedule. Okay? So, click natin to. Here. So, yan. Unfinished, finished. Dito sa unfinished, ito yung kakaklik ko lang. Nandiyan yung pangalan ko, yung training topic, training session, time, and date. So, itong naka-blue, that is immediately the MS Teams link. So, click nyo lang yan, kinabukasan, para makapasok kayo sa link, group link, kung saan kayo magti-training. Kasi yung iba, ang nangyayari is ganito. Kasi, syempre, hindi nila alam na dyan na nakalagay ang link, tapos hindi mo naman talaga siya mapapansin na link na ito agad kung hindi mo siya babasahing mabuti. So, kasi sa home, makikita natin na may nakalagay na training. October 31, my training. Yung kakaklik ko lang na book ko na training. Tapos, dun kasi sa ating AC, may nakalagay rin na training class. Tapos, if you're going to enter this one, hindi ka talaga makakapasok dyan kasi hindi dyan location and venue of our training. So, hindi po dyan. It's just for you to be notified na talagang you have to vacate that time kasi you have your training. Okay, so saan natin yun makikita ang link? Tayo sa My Training Schedule. Then, you will just simply click this one. 15 to 10 minutes before na kayong makapasok, hihintayin nyo na lang i-accept kayo ni trainer. So, dito naman kung makatapos naman kayo, makikita nyo na siya dito sa finished. Yan, ito na yung mga natapos kong mga webinar. So, paano yun teach kung mayroon akong urgent meeting kinabukasan? You can cancel that 1 hour before the said time schedule. Basta, i-cancel niyo lang agad. Hit nga ngayon agad, i-cancel natin. So, okay, so let's go back to book my training. Ayan. Yan, mayroong nakalagay cancel dyan, di ba? So, i-click lang natin yung cancel. Yan. Maka-cancel yan agad. Tapos, tingnan natin dun sa my training schedule. Yan, nawala rin siya. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ang galing-galing, di ba, sa ating platform. Libre yung mga trainings na yon. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sana ay mayroon rin kayong natutunan sa video na ito. And if you have some questions, comment down below. And if you like this video, like or heart this one if you have seen this in YouTube or in TikTok. Thank you so much and have a great teaching journey here in 51 Talk. Bye-bye!